Good afternoon. It's my pleasure to share with you the speech entitled After the Marathon Writing Workshop. With a satisfying click, I submitted my final piece, which marked the end of the marathon writing workshop. Immediately, a wave of relief washed over me. Indeed, the challenge was immense, but the rewards of overcoming it were equally remarkable. In early June, I created my July action plan. It consisted of 10 goals, and 6 of them centered around writing. They included engaging in marathon writing workshop, establishing a writing routine, seeking inspiration from various sources, experimenting with different writing techniques, celebrating progress and achievements, and reflecting on the experience. Looking back at the first 2 weeks of July, I take pride in having successfully achieved all the goals I set for myself. Regarding the writing journey, the term marathon writing truly lives up to its name. It generates intense and demanding pressure that pushes participants to produce daily writing pieces for 14 consecutive days. While creating multiple pieces may seem easier in comparison, continuous writing for 2 weeks proves to be highly demanding. Luckily for me, I have learned to best use the power of the momentum that time carries by riding the time trend and moving forward with it. I eventually found great satisfaction in my progress. While making my July action plan, I came across a quote by American coach John Wooden, which goes, "Don't mistake activity for achievement." The wisdom behind the words immediately resonated with me. What the coach emphasized was that in order to produce tangible results, tests must be well organized and efficiently executed. Otherwise, they are no different from children running around a playground. Motivated by this realization, even before the marathon writing, I had focused on achievement going beyond mere plans or activities. After completing the marathon writing, I'm grateful for my decision to accept the challenge and for taking John Wooden's advice to my heart. At this moment, as I stand at the finish line, I'm contemplating the true meaning of achievement. To me, it means self-respect. And now I can proudly say I made it. Thank you for your attention.